Realtors, stop guessing what to post. This ChatGPT script builds your 30-day content calendar in just seconds. To you how you can use ChatGPT to generate a full month worth of lead generating content without wasting hours. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Act as a real estate content specialist. Create a 30-day social media content calendar in a table form that I can post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and YouTube for a realtor in Seattle. I'm from Seattle, and substitute your city there. Targeting buyers and sellers. Include the attention-grabbing hook, topic, and call to action for each day, and include blocks of time when I need to plan, record, edit, and post the content for me to be organized, strategic, and deliver. Then I hit go, and ChatGPT starts to work its magic. There you go. Day 1, day 2, day 3. It gives you the attention-grabbing hook, the topic that you need to post on that specific day. It also gives you the call to action, then the time blocks that you need to plan, record, and post. Now, I pasted the script in its entirety in the description below for you to just copy and paste, and it's going to be totally easy for you. And here's how the 30-day finish calendar looks like after it's done. Now, follow me for more impactful real estate content like this. See you soon.